What's good, y'all? It's Yad. I'm gonna take out my productive day in the life of a small business owner. Alright, so today I'm not gonna lie. We got a little bit of a busy, kind of productive type of day, so we got some of these packages we gotta take, for my latest drop. Got these, I'm gonna show you guys what I dropped actually. These track pants, they got reflective sides. I'm gonna put a video on screen now of how they look, bro. It's crazy, I'm telling y'all. If y'all do want to cop that, they $35. So today we're gonna drop off some personal orders, people that I know personally. We're gonna have a designing session. We're gonna do some business stuff, and literally it's just gonna be a productive day in the life. So come on. I thought I was recording, but I literally just got finished brushing my teeth and stuff. All right, so I got my shirt on, brushed my teeth, put on deodorant, all of that. So we got ready for the day, and I'm about to see what I'm about to wear. I don't know. I think I'm feeling the sweats. You feel me? The new release. I think I just gotta put them on real quick. Okay, I like how these are looking. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. Let me show y'all. Y'all see, we got the track pants on. These are so comfy, bro. Make sure y'all go cop them. It's cold outside, fall officially has started, so it's getting cold, so I'm gonna have to put on a jacket. Yesterday it was cold for the first time. It felt great outside. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. It's just a normal zip up, something first thing I seen. And yeah, now we actually go ready. Alright, so I'm outside now. Got the pack, the orders, some of them. And we about to go ahead and take the car and go towards the location. Starting our day off right, getting to the money early in the morning. Me, bro. I'm trying to just make it out here, man. This is literally, I'm just grinding. This business means a lot to me, and that's why I grind so hard every day for it. Being a small business owner is tough, it's not easy for sure. I'm not gonna lie, we just made the sale. Sold two of the sweatpants to my mans real quick. So that's what's up. Got that easy 2 sales. He was messing with it. Y'all see, but we on the road right now. I don't even know where I'm going, bro. I gotta plug in the GPS and stuff. But yeah, that's really how that's how I'm starting my day, feel me? Just two quick sales real quick. Alright, as y'all can see, we are at Chick-fil-A. Y'all can't really see the logo, but we in the drive-thru. We at Chick-fil-A. About to get some good food, I'm not gonna lie to y'all. About to get a spicy chicken sandwich meal. Y'all know that's the only way to do it. A spicy chicken sandwich meal. I had to make a stop, Your boy got hungry, and I'm just gonna make the stop before I need some energy in me before I continue my day being productive. So we about to go get this Chick-fil-A. While I'm in the drive-thru, I'm literally just checking my inventory, updating it after I just made those sales in person. I'm always trying to find something to do productive in my time. It's not always just chill time for me. I always want to be productive, you feel me? But I'm gonna go ahead and get this food, and I'm gonna get back to the camera once I get the food. All right, got the food. Yes, sir. Got the spicy chicken sandwich meal and a vanilla milkshake, if y'all can see. Yeah, that's what I get every time from Chick-fil-A. Spicy chicken sandwich, vanilla milkshake. Nothing else. That's all y'all need. It'll last y'all, bro. I'm telling y'all. I'm on my way to the crib. All right, I'm back at the crib now. We about to go ahead and eat this Chick-fil-A real quick. About to go tear this down real quick. Then we're going to start some productivity stuff that I like to do. All right, I just got home, and literally what I'm about to do is, I'm about to enjoy some nature while I'm actually going ahead and doing some of my stuff on Shopify. I'm going ahead and just punch in these sales I made and go ahead and get them in the system. And then I'm also going to inventory check with this as well. I'm also going ahead and check my business email and check anything if I have any issues with orders or anything like that. I'm going ahead and check the business email and figure everything out like that. When I'm outside, I'm more productive when I'm outside. I can recommend this to anybody. If you guys just go outside and enjoy some nature while you're trying to get your work done, I promise you'll be way more productive. So that's the tip I have for y'all. Went ahead and just looked at everything, and go ahead and check that all out, and look at the nature though, man. It really do put me in a good mood. I can't even lie to y'all. But for real. So one thing also I like to do also when I'm up here and I'm in that mode, locking in on some work, I like to film a TikTok for my brand page because as you guys do know, I have a clothing brand, and that's my small business. And I like to film some TikToks or write down some TikTok ideas. It's one of the two for my TikTok page because TikTok is the best way to get organic growth nowadays. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now. All right, I was just watching some YouTube for a bit, getting some notes down low key. So I was just watching some videos on how to scale and some marketing trips. I always try to watch a video or two a day on valuable information that'll help me with my business. But I'm about to go to Target because I need to get a shelf for my inventory, so I can put like my inventory. You see right there, I have like a bunch of inventory over there. I want to put my inventory on shelves so I can stay organized, and it'll be helpful for me, you know. I'm about to go to Target right now and go pick up the shelf, and I also need to go pick up some tape and some other supplies. All right, I just got to Target, as y'all can see over there. I just got to Target, and I'm probably about to go inside. I don't know if I'm bringing the camera or not. I might just use my phone, but we'll get footage for y'all inside there. I just gotta go pick up a shelf so I can go ahead and store my inventory out onto it. And I gotta pick up some other supplies like tape and some little things like that. So I'll show you guys what I do pick up while I'm inside. All right, so I couldn't find the shelves at Target, so you know, we're about to go to Walmart or Home Depot now and go see if I can find the shelves there, because I had no look at Target. I just ended up picking up some hangers, some labels, and some tape, as y'all could see. Just some simple things like that. That's all I really did end up picking up. All right, I finally have built the shelf, as y'all could see right here. I finally built it. I gotta find somewhere to put it in this tiny room so I can actually, you know, have somewhere to put it. I have an idea where I might put it, and I'm about to go ahead and fix up the legs for the height, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put it where I think I'm gonna put it. Holy, that low-key was kind of heavy, and I know I'm sacrificing space by getting into my closet, but it doesn't really matter. I'll make that sacrifice. Okay, as y'all see, we have a bit of a mess here, and I have a bit of cleaning to do, and go ahead and set some things up. So I'm gonna go ahead and put a fast forward of me setting all this stuff up. All right, as y'all can see, the room is looking better now. We got the MacBook right there. Go ahead, got the shelves. I went ahead and got the shelves all sorted, and I'm about to label each size area, but small, medium, large, all the way down. You see, yeah. Make sure y'all go cop though. Like, look at these. We got the stock reflective on the side when you put the flash onto it. These are hard, and these are restocking real soon, but with more colors. But y'all see the studio low key. I got 2 ring lights. I think I showed this in my last video. I went ahead and copped another ring light so it can help me in my filming and stuff like that. And we're gonna be doing a room makeover real soon because I need a new bed and all that, a new desk. You know, give me a new workplace so I can have better energy. I see we got packaged orders down there ready to go. And for real, like what I'm really about to do probably for the rest of the night is just literally go ahead and eat. Obviously, I just ate Chick-fil-A earlier, but I haven't really ate nothing. It's like 8 p.m. right now, and usually what I like to do for a few hours is just go ahead and design. And usually like to go ahead and design, and then honestly I like for like the last hour of the day I just chill and have time to myself, you know, talk to the guys for a bit. You know, I just really just chill and have time to myself usually at the end of the day. If y'all do enjoy this video, make sure y'all go ahead and drop a like. It'll help me a lot. Subscribe with post notifications on, because we're gonna try to upload every other day here on the channel, so y'all don't want to miss an upload, because I feel like we're gonna be going real fast. So if you are starting your clothing brand, your own brand, I have a manufacturer list on my website. Here it is right here. And it has all the manufacturers I work with that you guys can get like pieces made like this and all that. Puff print, you see the puff, all that. I got a manufacturer list. I got designers on that list, everything. It's a great value list. Y'all go ahead and check that out. But other than that, it's been your boy Yad, and I'm out.
They don't understand me. Young and only 17, take